order cake for Chris, you know. Them say big man not eat cake. So I lie them and tell, So we order cake for Chris. You know, come pick it up, we at Price Smart. And then say we shop smart. So yeah man, so remember guys, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I thank you all for following the program. Thank you so much, all our new subscribers. Cannot stop thanking you so much, you know. All the ones that put the thumbs up, you know, thank you so much. Yeah.
Picking up?
Yeah, picking up.
Alright.
Yeah, so thank you all my subscribers from D-Mongo, and thank you all subscribers from Christmas list, you know. Thank you all as well too from around the world. Thank you Mama Africa. Thank you so much, you know. So we here today, it's Chris' birthday, you know, so we're gonna pick up a cake for Chris. We at Price Smart, where them said you shop smart, the price is much better. So yeah, so we are in Red Hills Road. This is Red Hills Road. So yeah, so we're here in Red Hills Road to pick up the cake. So stay tuned, you know. He's celebrating his birthday at Emancipation Park, where all YouTubers live on the link up, and it's not only YouTubers but anyone that got the message, watch the videos, and more than welcome to come celebrate with Chris. So I know Chris is a great man, so let's celebrate with him. I remember, put the thumbs up, you know, wish him happy birthday. So blessed love to all. Oh na na na, acoustics again, representing for all my real friends. So even though we cuss and we quarrel, are we that? Even though you make me vex you and call you an idiot, you stay real, cause that's what friends are for. Hey, and you know sometimes me can't stand you, but when me look around you alone I stretch my hands to. Stay real, it's what friends are for. Me don't know what them a pre-bout, a keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Yeah. So just say, alright, get time.
Alright then.
For you?
Yeah.
Anyways, never message again. Tell the decent, one our supporter, one our...
I'm working at it, tell her yourself.
When most of them myself.
Tell her yourself.
Hi D, this is Gracie. I've been inviting you over all along and you're not taking me up on my invite. Why is that, girlfriend? You need to come over, okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
So Gracie, where she's coming? Where you tell her to come?
Eh?
Where you tell her to come?
Which one I tell her to come? I tell her to come over, sir.
Which one? How about you? Okay. When? Anytime? Yeah, can I have Christmas list right on it, please? Happy birthday, Christmas list.
Let me choose a color.
Choose a color for Chris.
Blue and purple. Just one color. One color? Alright, give him the blue then.
Blue.
Even though it's bright enough.
Yeah, it's his birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, Christmas list. So Chris is C-H-R-I-S, Mus, M-U-S, and list. So it has space. So you see how you choose the color for Christmas. Christmas list. Yeah, so we just one of our subscribers. Yes, Grace. So the other says Grace. So they are called Christmas list. she Mr. T. Right. Mr. T. Where is she? Yeah, seems like she missed out the T. To make it work. And she gone, she disappeared.
Hold on, underneath for like, subscribe and share. Like what me do?
Okay. Alright, so I think one of our subscribers, Grace. Well, yeah, we just reached Emancipation Park, you know, it go. So, you know, we have to pick up the artists.
Hang in. Everybody's gonna have things twice. It's one cool stick.
One cool stick.
Yeah.
You know, them say better late than never.
Never.
You know, so.
You know, I just more while, so I'm gonna look at issues, but
yeah.
I shake off.
Ready to have that.
You know?
You don't know, no?
Final by myself. Hey.
You're getting it already.
Yo.
In the zone there.
Yeah, man, no rich man, I'm a thing, man, you know?
Yeah.
No, mama.
No. Someone's birthday. Yeah, so we're there at Emancipation Park. You know how it goes. So we're there in the park. The sun is down.
So I'm glad to end back in that place today.
All of the vloggers them is here. You know, the whole of the vlogger them they here today. You know, today, and the artists there today. You know, so Christmas list. It's a must list. You know, we have to go create a fork and a knife and the plates. You know, camping style. Hey, I have to go create something. Everyone's here. You know, it goes. It's a blessings. Look at the park, Emancipation Park. So yes, guys, as you can see, Emancipation Park changes different settings. You know, lovely day, chilling out. You know how it goes when you come in here. Grass nice, place cozy, everything mucho. Well blessed, well loved. Yeah, banging. Yeah.
I wait for the party to start. Yeah.
We're making an entrance.
The whole of reggae music right now.
Aye. Blessed family, blessed. Yeah, alright.
Everybody,
that is it. That is it.
Video me. That is it.
Yeah, great key, you know, the boss.
Yeah.
That is it.
Got that.
Swiss.
Fully wicked, I know.
Wicked and everything. Oh, blessed. Place full of paparazzi. Yeah. Lots of. Yeah, blessed family. Blessed. Yeah, Eastside Media.
Straight out of
Center man. See there? Big up. Chris.
Thank you, my friend.
Hello.
How are you, man?
Hello, my brother.
Kino, how are you?
Yes.
Man, it's an honor. Thank you. Where do I put it now? We gotta find a spot to.
Christmas is. So we're here. How you doing?
I'm good. Pizza Gay Life from you.
Okay, blessed. Nice to meet you. Yeah, man, I'm good. It's hard? Yeah, I know. The artist was kind of running late.
We met in Trenchtown. What is your height, bro? Trenchtown. Very high.
I'm very high, though. I'm very high. I'm very tall.
No, 190 you have, no?
I'm 6'2".
6'2", wow.
Yeah.
That's you're very tall, man. I really like it, man.
Yeah, man. You're not far away, though.
What?
You're not far away.
I'm not far away, but I'm still far away.
I see that no.
How long is your YouTube channel exist, man?
3 years now.
3 years? Wow.
Yeah,
That's nice,
3 years
man.
now.
How many followers?
29.
29K.
Yeah, going to 30 now.
Future superstar. You know what is? He spent his last 3 years only helping people. Now we got him thinking to grow.
Yeah,
Building homes for people in the community.
Wow.
yeah,
Selflessness, you know what I mean?
yeah,
The Jamaican Marwa.
yeah. Exactly, it's the same thing as we said, the Jamaican.
That's
Mara.
nice, man.
That's what I've been doing.
It's all
now.
about helping people in the end of the day, huh?
Yeah, and this man Chris now, you know, come and start a different thing and say, come on, you see me, need to get you lot together for you to achieve as well. So, blessed. All is well.
Yeah, man, subscribe, man.
Okay, big up, man, big up.
Close to you, I would say.
Yeah? See that? One family, man. One family, man. One link, you know?
Christmas list.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Bless up
The world's next superstar. The world's next superstar.
Easy now, when you hear it from him lips
Yeah,
himself, you know.
Yeah.
Never pay him for say that.
Yeah. Destiny brought us together.
Yeah.
Did you play the full song? You gotta show them that.
It's when you have the paparazzis out. Paparazzis.
Them where I hold it out and the girl them where I tug it out. Watch her now. For the tug them where I hold it out and the girl them where I tug it out. Gonna be fine all by myself. Can't bother with relationship. See ya now. Watch her now. Yeah, you want why my girl she vexed. Can't bother with relationships. See ya now. Watch her now. Yeah, I'ma tell you what me tell all my friends. Can't bother with relationships. See ya now. No, yeah, cause I wanna down. Just can't bother with relationships. See ya now. Watch her now, yeah. Cause if you ask me about no relationship, I'll tell you baby, if they sleep. And you can't catch any money in your trap, but God know you can't catch me. Watch her now, me don't join the commitment thing. If I that at the breeze, that leave. Only thing man commit myself to what music and a good drugs. I mean I really care where them want say, watch ya. I mean I care if them want vex, watch ya. And if you don't want support me, well guess what? That'll be a business, watch ya. No, I mean I care where them want say, watch ya. I mean I care if them want vex. With the dog them where I hold it out and the girl them where I tug it out. Gonna be fine by myself. Can't bother with relationship. See ya now. Watch her now. Yeah, you want know why my girl she vex. But can't bother with relationships. See ya now. Ooh, yeah. Tell her what me tell all my friends. Can't bother with relationship. See ya now. No, yeah, cause I don't wanna be so. Just can't bother with relationships. Now, watch her now.
Yes. So we're there in Emancipation Park, as I can see, it's Christmas list birthday, and you notice all the vloggers them is here, you know, most of them. So imagine if everyone did here. So we give thanks to everyone that's passing through, here acoustics, getting the highlight that is needed the most, you know, it goes already. So it's like a paparazzi style, you know, the artists I get the blessings we deserve and the light. So I hope everything work out for him. So this is the beautiful Emancipation Park, as you can see, a day on Christmas list birthday. Up there you have Pegasus Hotel, you know. Up there you have Pegasus, and you have the great George William right here. So we have George William Garden, you know. If you know the history of George William Garden, this is George William Garden right here. You know, George William Garden, the great man. You know, so if you don't know about George William Garden, then no, you know we have Sam Shark over here. We have Sam Shark over here, the man himself, Sam Shark. Huh?
You come in just to see me just like
No, cause you was having a big interview.
How you doing?
How you doing? You were having a big interview.
No.
Young man.
Missing out.
We have another international artist right here. Exclusive.
So you say?
So you say?
Yeah.
Give me something exclusive then. Give me something exclusive.
Should I?
Yes, I. Yes.
Oh the God, what are you doing for the young men, for the young men, for the young men? These young men need your help, God. These young men need your help. These young men, God. For the God, get in the hearts of these young men. Clean up the souls of these young men. Clean up the heart of these young men. Father God, these men and young men need you. Father God, cast out the devil out of the heart of the young men. Cast out the devil out of the soul of the young men. Young men, please do the right thing. Young men, don't join the wrong company. Young men, please do the right thing. Young men, don't join the wrong company. Father God, Father God, Father God, what to do for the young men? Father God, Father God, Father God, do this young men. Father God, Father God, Father God, Father God, please help these young men.
Push up the sign now. Positive. So here we have the great. You don't really have the history on this. You see me? But probably it mean man and woman.
Can't bother with it. And rising,
Yeah. So it needs probably man and woman. So this, I don't really have the history. Come here, Owen. You have the history on this?
Pardon me?
You know the history on this?
Not 100%.
Not 100%. Cause we don't really understand it, but probably them say man and woman. Is that the thing, right?
Yeah, but honestly speaking, I was wondering at the time why did they do it you?
Yeah.
I was really wondering.
No,
I'm saying because I mean,
Yeah.
looking directly on that, you see everything.
Yeah.
So I was really wondering why they did it.
Yeah, cause we really not. Cause if not them have no writing on it, you know, and we don't really get the history and understand this statue. You know, we probably have to go find somebody where we're working there. We can tell you about it. You know, cause a naked man and a naked woman.
Yeah, you understand?
You know, so probably is the way to multiply, right? It's no other way. It is the way to multiply. So we are at Emancipation Park, where all things. Yeah, so we never really get the history on this really. So we never really understand what I go on the history on this, you know. So those we never really get the history on it. Not really.
This statue is one of the funniest statues that I know.
This one, right?
The butt of the man and the woman, they're both the same. Why do you think so?
Look on here, sir. Come. Show you what I'm going. Because I say I don't really get the history of it. But probably them say man and woman is the way. Cause she's naked and he's naked. You know, and two black. So if we really see somebody know what we could ask, you know, what's the meaning?
You don't know the history.
No, I don't understand the meaning of this.
You don't
because
know.
There's nothing here, there's no plaque. You can tell you, you know.
Make it's man to woman, and that is it.
Well, that's what come to mind, you know. That's what come to mind. But this statue, it tells a lot of details, but there is no written words to know what's going on here, you know?
They should give us some history somewhere.
Don't it? Some history, something. But I like the idea, man and woman.
Me too, I
Man
support
to
the
man,
movement
man
100%.
to man is so unjust.
Yeah,
So probably it's multiply is the way.
yeah.
That is the way, right,
I
D?
love the look.
You know what I'm saying? You're not looking like, you sure that's not you up there? Got the same hairstyle. You're not got the same
Yeah,
haircut.
but I'm not that big. I know myself. I truly know myself. I'm not that big.
Probably you're the future big.
The future big.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it's amazing. It's a good statue.
I know, very good
Yeah.
statue. I like it. But if anyone watching, you know, they can put it in the comment section, you know, what you understand, what you can tell me about this, you know, what you can tell me about the history of it, because me myself, I'm not gonna lie and tell you say I know about it,
And you're from Jamaica.
and I'm from Jamaica. So
Good job, Kino.
I'm not lying, at least I'm being honest, right?
Yeah.
I
know.
don't know. I am being honest. So me and D rocking the shades today. Right, D?
And you have a new hairstyle.
The same
A
hairstyle.
complicated one.
Complicated one. The same one, man. The same one. And we have the birthday. Christmas list.
Christmas list.
Hey, what's happening? What's happening?
Talk to us.
We live?
The world's watching.
We,
Wow.
I was on your live the other day.
Thank you.
hey.
Just over there, just work over there. But when I hear advertise on the live, I say, no, I'm just right over there. That's
Yeah, right over there. Yes, I'm saying happy birthday again.
People say about
Oh,
you,
what a
they don't
commission.
recognize you so
Oh, and you're
tall.
just like, D,
You
Yeah.
gotta see how tall
that
Kino
is
is.
so good.
People always say when them see me, I'm like, Kino, never know you were
Right now
so.
you have a man.
Yeah.
Talking about like, I don't want to carry on. The
Yeah.
men love you. The men love you.
Yo, because today we met someone at Price Mart when I was getting the cake, and she's like, Kino, I never knew you were so tall.
Yeah.
So maybe because she always have the camera like this, saying well. So them don't really know how tall am I, but yeah, I'm 6'2" for who don't know.
I think you're taller than 6 foot.
No, I'm 6'2".
Birthday,
Maybe
Chris. Happy birthday.
maybe it's the shoes, you know. But I'm 6'2", you know, nothing taller, nothing less, you know. But when you see me, you know, will know how tall I am.
Yeah, amazing.
No, it's okay, it's okay. That's what makes it beautiful. Like,
Yes, sir. And, yeah, enter ready, man. Enter ready, man. So more than welcome. Yeah. For our Instagram, WhatsApp. Boy, me actually me show you my WhatsApp right now. You're crying.
Alright, guys.
Clarity of Jamaica. Yeah, man, nothing wrong, man. You just wait for us. Send me a message like you said that. Yeah, so we can know and we can save the number, because I'm telling you the amount of message from me I've been on the phone and daily. You know, daily. See it here?
Okay, such a wonderful.
Are you right?
yeah.
Yeah, man, you know.
Right?
So it's a blessing, man.
I just can't stop smiling whenever I
thank you. It's nice. I love it. I love
Yes, yes. Yes, they say most people when them see me, them can't believe I'm so tall, you know. No.
Oh my God, look at it.
You never know Mr. Tall.
Gee, I saw you and I said you're tall, but I never knew you were so tall.
It's not so tall because you're short. Remember you're short, you know, so when you're short, you're gonna look tall.
Maybe that's it, maybe
The
that's it.
The truth is so short, she make me look tall, you
No,
know.
you look about like 7. About 7.
I'm not so much, I'm not so much.
What, 6'2"?
6'2".
Oh.
6'2". Why are you looking so frightened? 6'2".
it. Oh my
God.
6'2" is not tall, you know, so good use. So if you cannot read something in the kitchen,
Yes.
I can just go up and get
And you
it.
have people taller than you.
Of course, so imagine you have so much people taller than me, you know.
I would like to see somebody that is 7 feet.
Finally we met, right?
Yes,
Finally.
yes,
You work
fine.
close.
Right,
Oh, water commission.
there, yes.
Okay.
I work at the finance branch there.
Okay,
Yes, so I
okay.
just come and say, my God, these coming right in my backyard there.
It does come right here.
Yes, and I wanted to big up Mara for reaching 500,000 subscribers.
Yes, so big him up, Mara. Big up yourself, Mara. Big up yourself.
And
I just want to shout out Kino and all his supporters and tell him that, you know, Kino is doing a good job, and I want you all to support him because he's doing a lot for poor people in Jamaica that even the government is doing. You know, so yes.
So I'm helping out the government.
Yes.
So I am helping out the government, right? Because if the government can't help everybody, me I forgot help them, help some of them. Right. So government they owe me. Because me I help the people them who we supposed to help.
Government should have it like yesterday when they had Heroes Day.
Heroes Day. You know,
for your work, you're doing a good work.
Yeah, but I'm glad me a hero to the people and for them art, you know.
Yes.
And
that's the most important.
Yes, them recognize the good
people.
What we're doing, and them only encourage me if we can carry on doing the good same way.
Yes.
You know, and tell me something. You know something about this statue here? You have any history about it?
This statue, I hear that it was the late. No, it was not Edna. No, it was not Edna. Was it? It was not Edna Mande that did this sculpture. I think it was another, what do you call them, artist or sculpture that did it. I remember when it was done, you know, they had some dispute about it because they were saying they don't know if it is, you know, if it is good to have something like that for the young people, especially for children to view such thing. But after, you know, after a while, you know, they put it up and, you know, so it was, they said it was to, you know, it had something to uplift, like emancipation, the way the statue was feel is like an upliftment. You are moving out of slavery.
Okay.
And you're emancipating yourself, you're looking upward. So, I mean...
okay, so that's basically why they're looking upward, right?
It's like, you know, upward. Yeah, but it was, but it took a long time to build and money to do it.
Yes. I can see. So I never get your name, so.
Patricia Dixon.
Remember,
I was on, let me give you my YouTube angle.
Shout out yourself on YouTube.
Alright. Hello, I am at Trisha, _123 on YouTube. That's Family Life.
Okay.
So I just saying, supporters, you can come out and give me a shout out on my channel. Okay. And you know, I'm doing a lot of videos on family life. I inspire, you know, because I'm a person like this that love to inspire, especially young people, because I realize a lot of young people, you know, some of them, they don't have people that they can look up to and inspire them, and so they go out and do a lot of, you know, wrongdoing and follow wrong company. So I, as a mother of one child, you know, that's how I grow my daughter, and I, you know, and I love young people, and I do it on Instagram too. I like to motivate and encourage them to stay
positive and carry on.
And I also like to encourage people. I do a lot of videos on marriage because I have a lot of experience that way to help people, you know, in terms of courtship and all of that stuff. So because I see a lot of that, you know, people are, you know, getting into a relationship and it's not working out, and and they're going about it the wrong way. So I believe that God has given me that, you know, that we're calling out that drive to help others, use my experience to help others, to guide them, so my wealth of experience. So I just want you to come over. That's Family Life TV, and my angle is at Trisha _1234.
Okay, at Trisha. Yeah, man. So guys, so you hear the type of content what she's doing, and it makes a lot of sense because as I can hear carry acoustic sound, calm but with relationship. See it here now. So she's explaining to you about the relationship, why she cannot bother with relationship. You know, so this is Patricia, you know, she give guidance. And relationship.
Oh, you? And I inspire young. I use my experience and I help others. I like young people and I like to motivate.
What do you think? What do you think? We can't bother with relationship?
I don't. Let me tell you, it's not that you can't bother with relationship. Enough of us, you know, we are going about it the wrong way, and because we are going about it the wrong way, we end up, you know, suffer in the relationship because we don't get enough time to court and get to know the person before we get involved, you know, sexually involved. So once
as I tell people, once that come in without you get to understand, you're not gonna know everything about the person, you know. But you have to at least you get time to know the person. Some little thing, if the person have a temper, sometimes you can test them out to find out, you know, how easy aggravated it. Because we've seen in Jamaica a lot of men killing the woman and vice and all of those stuff. So I'm thinking about the courtship. We start at the courtship level. If you don't, if the courtship, if you at the courtship level, when you get to know the person, if it wasn't handled properly. You understand? If you don't handle it, you get to understand the person that you are dealing with, get to know the relatives. You know, I was watching, sorry, I don't want to keep you a video, and it made me cry with this young lady, and she's from Africa. She was dating this Chinese guy, you know, young girl. She didn't understand that the guy was nice, but the family was stuck in racism. You understand? Because they have never seen black people. So when she went to visit the relatives, she was so, you know, she was so disappointed that she had to take a flight, go back home. So it's good to know the family and the background of the person also. So it can be good. It's a blessed thing. Marriage is good, relationship is good. It's the way you started out. You understand? So I wouldn't tell people you don't bother with it. Go about it the wrong way and pray about your relationship too. Ask God for guidance, because you can meet somebody and they're genuine today, but God knows what is at the end. You understand? So I always say, God, is this the direction you want to go in?
So what's your YouTube channel?
Family Life TV.
Family Life TV.
Yes. And my handle is at
Family Life TV.
No, it's at Trisha_1234. Family Life.
Okay, so in one word or just Family Life TV?
Family Life TV. That's the
okay. You know, you're gonna see it coming across the screen, you know, so you can go and follow her and you can go and subscribe. And if you're not, we call it immature and don't understand relationship, you need guidance, feel free to subscribe her, send her a DM. You know, if you want private counseling, can call her, you know, she can give some more insight on how to go about relationship, because as I hear Carrie Acoustic singing about the relationship, we know most of the Jamaican musicians them sing about what's going on in their life. You know, so you never know what people are going through, and this song now kind of connect a lot of people, because them seems like it makes sense to what most of them is going through, and what they're doing, it makes sense.
Because you must realize that people have good you have people out there have good relationship, and why is this good? People live till 100, 60,
of course,
because they start, you know, respect, love.
Alright, Patricia, it's very nice to meet you. I like the insight and what you give, and hopefully success on your channel, right?
I'm praying. I'm struggling with it, you know, because between work and I don't understand. It's really hard. You have to put in a lot.
Let me see what I go on here, so.
A sack. Have you ever brought me such? Huh? They're the best.
No, that's yam.
No, this is jelly.
Hi, 50. 50.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming.
Hi, youth on the rise. Youth on the rise. Manners, man. Oh, Chipper is here. Chipper there. Okay, so the whole family there. The whole family is here.
Yes.
Blessed. I'm a general, much love. All is there?
Blessings,
man. Oh, you got on the live last night. I give the prayer and thing. So big up yourself, man. With the name again?
The Ennis family.
The Ennis family. Blessings and give thanks, man. The Ennis family, you know.
Shout out your thing, man.
I know it's key in life in Jamaica, you know, representing for the Ennis family, you know, over there at Chris' birthday gathering, you know, it's a park, it's a gathering, meet and greet for all YouTubers, and even if you're not YouTuber, you was more than welcome, but if you're not here, you're missing out, you know, so you could have meet a man like the Ennis family, could have meet Key Life in Jamaica, Christmas List, and D Mwango, you know, so we there have a nice time, you know. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to the Ennis family. So if you're watching and you don't subscribe, please go and subscribe. You know, well, you know, Key Life in Jamaica representing and everything, though. That is it. That's not it only. But there you go and freestyle morely. You know, all the thing of 50 bag. That is it. Aye. 150.
That is it.
Cheaper than cheaper than himself. 45 food man. One cheap. Give thanks to the man. Come here, say I'm a namesake, you know.
Yeah, that is it.
That is
it. Yeah, man. Same name, bro. G, man. You don't know.
Alright, see there. So this is my namesake. And we have one cheaper. But they in the dark house.
No time me feel dark out. Like when she no say in the night dark room. Most me mommy pass out. And me have a one thing that when me carry all out. You know people have love but some have no love.
Hey, some people have no love.
Hi to Chris.
Hey, there, all is well.
You know, it's like a party without all the music.
Yeah. That's what them carry you with the musician. With the music, you know. Them carry you with the music. Come right here, son. Let me see.
Network, Kadir.
Yeah.
YouTube channel, Kadir.
Network,
Kadir.
stand up right, right?
She had killed me from, say more on top.
You know, see the rain a fall.
Oh na na na, oh na na na. Acoustics again, representing for all my real friends. So even though we cuss and we quarrel, are we that? Even though you make me vex you and call you a idiot, you stay real, cause that's what friends are for. Hey, and you know sometimes me can't stand you, but when me look around, who alone I stretch my hands to. Stay real, it's what friends are for. Hey, well watch ya now. Remember the days when we broke and have no food. Touch the street, it was a $50 chunks of kazoo. But get it you to know me have to share it not too. Remember the days we say mood to get a tattoo. Every day me and you, we are part of school. You got me head block, you know say I got you down. My friends, me show dedication and a loyalty. No segregation. Watch at them first tell me say me could boss as a artist. And as some really pick it up and some start it. Any road where me I want them I go walk it. Any talk me make them I go talk it. And if a boy ever try this me friend, I feel defend me friend and me friends to the end. Watch ya now. Yo acoustics again. And even though we cuss and we quarrel, are we that? And even though you make me vex you and call you a idiot, stay real, cause that's what friends are for. Watch ya now.
Here we are acoustics, you know.
One acoustic.
See them, I heard here today, you know. We are celebrate Christmas List's birthday, you know. I know say the people them listen out once them cannot stop listening to Carry Acoustics. That's why I get a view here, you know. So you see the view where they must be behind. Them the songs and them set here and listen to you and like, yo, Kino, I love that view. I just love the artist voice, you know. Love where my drop right now, you know.
Yo. I'm not gonna shake that Carry Acoustics up with them. Yeah.
You know see the rain a fall.
You remember vex if you go girl. But you not see the rain a fall. Yeah. Where you really going? Where you want some to girl? Like you want see man a ball. When you're gone, watch you now we seal the deal. You sign the contract. Me have the key when we pull your padlock. Me set up on the knee, girl. Hold something back. Just man a squeeze, plus you must contract. You know you can't leave, yeah. Long you better start chat. As a matter of fact, you remember vex if you go, girl. What's you not see the rain a fall, yeah. Where you really going? Where you want some do, girl? Like you want him on a ball when you got one.
Yay. Acoustic. Banging.
What acoustic, man?
Banging. You see them, you know how the thing goes. Just carry acoustics, you know, the musical genius. You know how it goes. The musical genius. You don't see the rain of fire.
You know, just an example, just a really wonderful spirit, and just an example of what we do, and we put everything aside and we just deal with each other as human beings in this world, you know, and just look out for each other. And I just think that is beautiful to show Jamaicans that we're not this and we're not that, we're just one people, and you know, just bless him and just wish him, you know, all the best and long life.
That is it. What's your name, mommy? But we never ban, we don't, just give me a fake name then.
Lorraine.
Alright, Lorraine. Are your son this? Grandson. Okay, big up grandson. You know, she laugh and she that one there, you know. Lorraine. That is it. See, alright, the Ennis family, give yourself a shout out and let them know.
Yes, man. It's the Ennis family, you know. THEINNIS-FAMILY.
Yeah.
Ennis family. Yeah, man. We are here at Emancipation Park right here in New Kingston. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes. Today is Christmas List's birthday. Yeah, man. And we are vibing away. Yeah, man. We have a lot of wonderful YouTubers here today. We're just linking up, holding our vibes and just enjoying myself. Yeah, man. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with a friend. Yeah, man, and just leave your comments down below and let me know you're coming from Kino Lifestyle family.
Yeah.
Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yes.
That is it.
Who want to shout out themselves or Mummy Busy? Or when give yourself a shout out.
Big up. No, it's Click 876, CLIQ 876. And we're on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Check it if you want. Videos, graphic designer, photographer, all in one place. Check it.
All in one place. Next YouTuber, when next YouTuber them there, we are shout out all YouTuber them. Come in here, man. Come give yourself a shout out. YouTuber, give yourself a shout out. Give yourself a shout out. Give yourself a shout out.
Your boy Grandpa is not Grandpa neighborhood watch, you understand? A peace and love and happiness, you understand me? So what you are going? God bless you, no? Because I can't bless you, no.
Yes. Alright, so Grandpa, you go and subscribe to Grandpa. Yeah, man, give yourself a shout out.
Man, big up Kino Life in Jamaica every time. Yeah, man, thank you for the highlight, man. Remember, so when you subscribe to Kino, you know, people. Yeah. Also, you can check out Yeman TV, Nigel Yeman TV, YAHMAN TV. Can't miss it. We travel all around Jamaica and find the river, them, the beach, them. No one hold for free river. Yeah, man, check out Yeman TV.
Yeman TV. Outside. Alright, give yourself a shout out to me, General.
Yeah, man. 30 Jamaica. Yeah, man, people there celebrate Christmas List birthday party along with other YouTubers. Yeah. People, it's a good look. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty to have here today celebrating this special occasion where we have a lot of YouTubers link up today. Yeah, man. Kino Lifestyle.
Kino Life.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. We're outside again.
Yeah.
The thing.
The next YouTuber there. YouTuber as well too. Alright, so give yourself a shout out.
Eastside Media, straight out of St. Thomas. We're there as celebrate Christmas this birthday. Yeah, man. Just want to say peace, love, and unity. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Eastside Media.
Eastside Media. You know the thing. And we have
in the description.
who else we have? Where's Wicked?
In a Spanish.
DJ Wicked.
Yeah, man.
Where is he missing? I'm coming down to the. Where me that walk? Where me that walk? Alright, so DJ can give yourself a shout out, Youth on the Rise.
I say big up, I don't know, all YouTubers link up. Everybody big up on themselves, I don't know. There, all of us in Christmas list. Yeah man, Emancipation Park. Big up. And guess what? Check out Youth on the Rise record. I don't know, that is it.
Is it each and every Friday?
Yeah man, every Friday, Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Location 16 actually was Spanish Town.
Yeah. Most Boss Friday.
Most Boss Fridays.
Alright. So I say, I say, I Marley. Even hear the name and see the face and know the voice, you know. See the
I Marley, the lyrical general. You see it?
Yes,
Youth
sir.
on the Rise, and we say keep the fire burning. You know what I mean?
Tell them what them can find now on the network, the
Yeah, you
media.
don't know Spotify, you don't know all of the music platforms.
Yes,
Audio Mac.
Marley.
You know what I mean? As I Marley.
Yes,
You know
sir.
what I mean?
Just like the
When
Marley.
you type in I Marley, you see them pop.
YouTube, everything pop up. So you have anything new dropping very soon?
Yeah man, we have like a thing called say Africa, Mama land I'm treading on, yes. Say Africa, Mama land I'm treading on. Africa, Mama land I'm treading on. See, it is a new hit, you know.
Yes. So you go and check it out. The new single is out. Just type in I Marley. As I say, now we see man, we're trying to give all the talents them a highlight where a different eyes can see, and hopefully you can reach the heights where Almighty wanted to reach, you know. Blaze the fire every time. We have paper shows.
Tease Black People. TEEZ Vlog. Bracket, Tory, bracket.
So question
That's
to you, Vlog. What kind of videos do you have on your?
Tour, like walk through town, downtown, half a tree, like stuff like that.
Okay.
Okay. So looking forward. Alright, so give yourself a shout out right here.
Alright.
Yes, you know.
Big up, big up. Yeah guys, just remember to check out my channel Life with Orintia. Like, comment, share and subscribe guys.
Yes, sir.
Bless up.
So
Big up.
So don't forget, this is DJ Wicked wife. Hey, you know we miss up here too.
Oh, you gotta look something.
Okay. Out there. So you know the thing now, we have Color Smith TV all the way from Portland.
That is it, man. Take your time. You don't know, say boy, Colors I represent for Kino life in Jamaica. People don't know what the thing come down. Color Smith TV famous for creative cooking and all of that. So
yes.
We look out for some big bad calabar of coming up here.
Yes,
we let them eat some food that they never even hear about before.
Alright.
Yeah man, that is it, man. So
making me hungry right now.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
And lock it in, turn on the bell. So when you subscribe, just see a little bell will come up, you just press all. So that way there, if you go live, you see it. If you post a video, you see it. If you go shorts, you see it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's nothing at all.
Nothing.
You see me? One team, one dream, cause all the way I
see there. Same dream team,
so
one team.
You
know what I say? Let me go and subscribe to Colors, you know, let's help our brother grow. Each one help one, each one teach one. And that's so I love the idea of Chris, I do get YouTubers together. You know, this never done before, you know, but there's a start for something in life. I know him started, and when he's not here, we have to just continue the same way. You know, I mean, here you talk, so you man, you always, no matter how small a person is, you do a collab.
Man, you could have even just start today, man, you link me. So you want to do a collab, you're welcome.
So you also have the goodness in your heart, say me, we can continue this, you understand? Because the man come from all the way to Canada. I show a lot of YouTubers say, yo, we can do this, you know.
When I love like him take me in some community where myself, me not going to them community. So
No.
I'm glad for you. You see me come, I can go up on my TV and watch it.
And see it now.
Cooking on, I'm allowed to Chris now. So big up to Chris. Every time.
Chris the ninja.
Yeah man, him educate we in a way where
ninja, you know.
Yeah man, him educate we in a way where we don't know if we'd get it otherwise.
No.
Real. So big up to Christmas this. Mwango,
Yes,
all the
sir.
way from Kenya. Kenya, right?
Yeah, Kenya.
And you don't know Kino life in Jamaica, big up yourself.
Yes, guys. I see that. You know, they see we're soon in Portland. Yeah, man. Big up.
We come out to support the whole thing, you see me?
See there.
Kino life in Jamaica. Don't know color split there, right? So
Yes, sir.
in a tree and them thing there. We're linking.
Hey, up on plane.
All of that water there.
Water. You see me, I said, don't run for them.
You don't know, sir. I want you to
Yeah, man.
the whole change to myself.
See.
Team Kino, I'm new to your team.
Yeah.
But subscribe and think long time about endorse thing. Full 100 support, and that is it.
Yeah, man. Give thanks. So you're a YouTuber too?
I'm a YouTuber, I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer. You see me?
All right.
I'm forgetting my YouTube space a little later, but some things I did right now.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm going to endorse the thing for 1000%. That is it.
I will give thanks, man. I know it's the time, you know, because I notice we have a YouTube team now, a family.
That is it.
You know, just like we have the music family
You have to create a WhatsApp group, man.
for all YouTubers.
You have to create a YouTube WhatsApp group.
Food. Rocky. We have Rocky in the building. We have colors in the kitchen.
That is it.
That
We
is
don't have
it.
much work with, but we are do something.
Yeah. At the first, I'm going to work with less product.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to make it work.
That is it.
So, you know, the continuation after Chris' birthday. And everybody expect food. One man say I expect Island Grill. Someone say I expect the KFC. Who say I expect Burger King, Popeyes. And I realize is all vegetable.
Actual food, bro.
Actual food itself. Food for cook. It come like say 2 colors there, okay, I eat them type of ready-made food. We have the colors make food. Right? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We're in a building, big up Kino to Kino Life in Jamaica to the big fullest.
Rocky, taxi.
Yeah, man, heads up, man. Look here, see me, driver, you know. Yeah, man. See, you ready?
Don't you need a taxi?
Yeah,
we are the most loyal taxi man in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
This is Rocky. This is Rocky. And we got the great man. The great man. Tell him again.
Sorry?
Tell him your name again. Who is there?
So guys, this is Coco Boy here. Check out my channel. 2 years that I'm traveling around the world. Been to a lot of countries. Very interesting channel. Go check it out.
Check it out. So we have Coco Boy in here. We talk about Coco Boy. We're not talking about Coco Pops. No. We're talking about Coco. To be continued, we said the after party.
It doesn't be perfect now. You can always alter it later.
After party.
You want to get it set up.
So this. Hi, man. You don't touch them place yet. Okay. So you feel the style already?
Yeah, so woman with the touch the style, you know.
See the mother hurt.
Woman move like say, just fly out left, you know.
Jaja. Can't bother with it. Yeah, this is how continue from when we left from down so to right here so you know where the food at the ball or roll go on, you know where everything will take place. So you go high man, you know, can't take the pressure, can't bother with that, you just roll the feet.
Yeah, because, you know, anything where I try to stop music can stop me literally, so you don't know where I left that.
Yeah.
I know say music we are doing, because we are doing a food thing, a chatting we are doing,
which is right.
So there is no way we are going to make a type of flesh we can stop that. Which we don't do any kind of music either. It's a message we are doing across to the world.
True.
So we have to do it just so we have to do, you know?
Yes. The purpose the higher serve see on me, you know?
Yeah, man.
So the music, you know, the message we are sending out right there, so, you know?
Yeah, the music.
is the message.
Is the message.
You know what I mean? Because the world need the message even right now more than ever. You know what I mean? Because most of these ones you say them are artists, dance a lot, you say them are other place. Yeah, the music and the message where them are bring right
it's
now.
wrong.
Weak now the youth them and carry the youth them moral on different part, you know? So you find out see a lot of youth are grow up now with a mentality when not too upright, you know what I mean? Them disrespectful and have certain manner about themselves where you know what I mean? So right now is the music will let a lot of youth stray to the end of the world. You know what I mean? Music make a whole lot of youth I think negative to the message where them I bring to the end of them music.
True.
All them message of them on talk about mad all the time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bag a different topic where you can go on and check the topic of some songs or some man I sing. So you find out say a lot of youth now to the day. If you even bring positive to them, you have to bring it to them the right way for them to listen to where you have to say. Because these music, as I say already, lead them on different parts. So you have to bring truth to them. It's like you have to fight water for both the hill.
That's true. That's true.
So, as I say, still have to do the good here because it's only good alone can live. Anything pollute or corrupt, I got dead someday.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So we still have to do the right thing. You know what I mean?
So do you find it weird or the youth them have more gravitate to negative music than the positive music?
Well, as I say, is a. I mean, when I really meditate it, I can see like it is a system design the way there. You know what I mean? Because a lot of good music can make same way.
Yes, sir.
But these good music that making these people who are let through certain kind of music lack out the good music then. You know what I mean? So the good music where the youth them for listen and get the substance they from, the energy they from, the good meditation. Yeah, them now get them music because these music lack out.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So I find out say as I say it's a system designed to let corruption and pollution through the gate.
True.
You know what I mean? Which as I say what I try to bring forth is a message where the youth them can find themselves and see where them are go wrong. And find out say is a system designed for control the mind, see in a way.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So them use certain kind of youths for bring these message across just through money or riches. You know what I mean?
So it's more like a material world right now.
Yeah, so these youth now don't care about the message with them.
No, it's more
the subliminal message and whatever message negatively that them bringing out. Them not care about how them bring it out either. Because it's all about money. You know what I mean? But for I and I know so me not just go in for money because I know so what I and I do, money will come forward. But naturally what me I do is just for gather the youths them in a unity and love. And see the message when I bring forward, I unite them. It uplift them from negativity. You know what I mean? And the whole socialized system, they can say, alright, positive are reign again. The youth them must see positive on a different way again. You see me? So that way I feel try to bring forward, you know what I mean?
Most righteousness, I'm like the positive idea where you push out same, you know, and like the music where you push out same, which is conscious. You know, because righteousness is the way because we understand life and been through certain things, we know what's right from wrong. So we know where our bad feelings give.
I mean, all the man were involved in the most wrong know the right thing. You know?
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So when he made the right tune, even in himself, he find out he must listen to this because it's like he might get a healing, he might get something nourishing out of this music. Yeah? You know, spiritually you feel it because it doesn't matter if you shoot, you kill, you rob, you have a spiritual energy by yourself.
Same way.
You know what I mean? So you have to feel certain things different when you're positive. You know what I mean? You have to communicate with it different. So as I say, every man out there have righteous in them, every man have truth in them. It's up to the man who up to bring out the truth in himself. You know what I mean? And know say you can't go around truth.
No.
You know what I mean? So I just life, you know, life music. So that Youths on the Rise about to bring out live music, artists where, you know what I mean, well talented, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Can.
Yeah. You know when I realize, it's just like because you see in the world today still, people mostly focus on the negative side. Because dig this. Everybody focus like the youth them bad, the youth them this, the youth them everything. You dig what I'm saying? So we need some people like politicians or those people that blaming all these ghetto youth. Because true me see greatness in the youth them, that's why I say youths on the rise. Because we see where youth them can rise.
The potential is there.
Yeah, and we see greatness there. So them just painting a picture and just focus on the bad youth. See? So at the same good youth them turn the bad youth in a brother because something must be good before it get bad.
That is true.
See? So I say you know them, I believe say you know them did that come in and get to and say yo, find out the good youth them now get to man. Not just come in and get and focus on the bad.
Spanish now, focus on Canadian.
Focus on who have a good heart. Focus on the youth them have talent. Focus on the youth them have greatness in them.
From Canada.
You see? So they paint a picture like say no great youth don't come out and get to. I mean a lot of great youth.
A lot
of doctor.
Most of the talented youth them come from in the ghetto.
Most of the superstar them and stuff.
Come from in the ghetto.
Yeah bro.
Most righteous man. So, but then we are celebrate Christmas list birthday same way. And we say we go make a tour same way. Yeah, from Christmas list. All the way from Canada just touched down. You know we're going, yes, Christmas list.
Yes, it's an honor, my friend.
The unity and the love we must spread here amongst the youth them is very inspiring to a lot of viewers and to the youth them they here. You know?
You see if you look at time now Christmas list. See it being a place where we never yet
been before.
See me. In a Jamaica, some number will call my phone when I never see.
Before.
Then hear a code they coming on my phone before. So here's greatness.
Man.
You never be ungrateful.
Cannot be ungrateful, man. You cannot be ungrateful. You see 50 back, that is great.
First and foremost, man, give thanks and praise to the Most High Almighty God, make everything possible. I say, big up yourself again, Father Chris, for your earth strong. You know you make all of this possible. You start right on the Youths on the Rise headquarters, you're walking in the middle of nowhere and buck up on DJ, Can CEO Red Bull. And from the start from DSL, it's just like a time bomb.
Never turn away, kicking away.
We just hear from Spanish Town showing back our appreciation to Father Chris and his birthday, letting the world see that we are here as one family and everything is going on good with me and Chris. There is no bad feelings, nothing like that. We are just here humbling, feeling nice like one family. So we have to show Chris our appreciation. You understand?
That is
it's a nice feeling. I mean, I say big up Youths on the Rise. I'm Marley in I place. Dean of 45, the engineer in I place. Triple that day in I place. You don't know CEO. DJ Khan. Big boss. You know, big up yourself, man. You have a great family, you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, and it's a great feeling from day till now, you see?
Yes.
We are Spain, we're still there.
See you,
we feel comfortable.
We appreciate that,
welcome,
man.
you see?
Appreciate that, man.
Big up all of the vloggers them there. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you see? Be the Jaguars, big up ourselves. Father Chris.
Man of peace, Father Chris. See there? See there? I have colors for you.
Oneness, you see it? One love in the house.
The Colors Smith TV, you know the thing. We're there celebrating Christmas list. So the to be continued from Emancipation Park. Now we're here. We say guys are at the Emancipation Park. So we're there right now look at the view.
Look at the view. We soon show you Chris, you know.
Look at the view.
Chris is a celebrity, you know, so we are saving breakthrough. Last, you know. They say save the best for last, so we are saving Chris.
That is it.
Colors.
Colors.
That is it.
Yeah, man, I don't know thing. Colors Smith, that's all.
Yeah, man, one colors.
Yeah, man, TV, brawling, I don't know thing.
One colors, one crest.
Yes.
Colors, big up yourself, colors. I don't know, see the TV, I don't know the thing. Do sunrise, DJ,
She said she gonna be fine.
You're still drama with relationship. See you now, watch you now, yeah. My ex-girl vex. Can't bother with relationship. See you now, watch you now, yeah. I'm gonna pour some food in my belly. Hey, I'm not getting no food right now. Hey, I'm gonna need to hurry up and cook it. Hey, yeah, give me the food right now. Hey, want the food in our belly? Want the food in our belly? Hey, so want the food in our belly? Hey, so we want the food in our belly? Callaloo dumpling ain't ready. Hey, so we want the food in our belly. Hey, the callaloo dumpling ain't ready. Hey, want the food in our belly. The callaloo dumpling ain't ready. Hey, yo, Rocky's here. One. General, what I name? Alright. Well. So, this is where it is now. Right now. White colors.
That is it.
The pot really colorful. I see where you get the name from, colors.
Yeah.
Look how colorful is this.
Yeah, just a try reach.
So we have the callaloo, we have the cabbage, and we have the wagwan tomato.
Saltfish, tomato, little pumpkin seaweed. That is it.
Oh, you cook them nice dish and me no eat saltfish.
You know it's saltfish?
No.
Yeah,
them dumpling they are boiled and thing. No.
So where's saltfish there?
Saltfish no come from around here. We are now here. Yeah. Yeah, we never been too into saltfish because we never really understand it, you know. We try to figure it out.
Yeah.
You know, them give us the saltfish without head. And now them could think that them give us salt with a bag of salt, you know, good for we. And then give it for our national dish. You know, so I try to figure out a lot of things, you know, because I'm a vegetarian, you know. And the only fish I don't eat, the saltfish. Yeah, I don't eat.
See some of the time still. If you have to try to figure out everything. Why?
Yeah.
Jamaica eat saltfish?
For us to watch him in Jamaica, I mean, eat saltfish.
Food look nice. Dishes are killing saltfish.
I know.
It will look nice for you.
Still a Jamaican though.
Yes. So they must have wonder why I'm gonna eat saltfish. Yes, I mean, I was trying to figure out the fish without the head.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I'm not really eat saltfish. I'm a vegetarian, but the saltfish part, I'm trying to figure it out. When I'm younger, talking to colors, they used to say, if you see the saltfish head, you won't eat it, right? So me as a look at you, yeah, so me used to research a lot, you know, looking for say if I could have seen the head, some head when I see and I say, boy, you know, and then now, me hear the chronics sing about that as well too, but the saltfish will come from now here, you know, in England, them not eat saltfish, no, and we Jamaican alone eat it. You see me? So why am I give we Jamaican saltfish for national dish?
You never know still, but you see children start eating already, you know what I'm saying?
Well, you know, me have to stop from early because I know say too much salt not good for you.
That's true.
See them and salt the fish and you have to boil it so many times. You know?
Boil it 1, 2, 3 times.
1, 2, 3. And then now, it's the only way you can preserve the fish feet not spoil like a salt. Why the more?
But back in the days still, you know, when we never have fridge and anything there, you know, say, and that them used to use to keep the meat.
That's
true. It, you know?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper and pimento and them little things that make it stay longer.
Yeah.
So I believe it started out as that, like as a way to preserve your meat.
But me understand, but that was then.
Yeah.
But even now, are the only fish them only are preserved.
And
you know, there's still so much fish same way you can preserve. Snapper, parrot. You name the fish them right now where you can preserve.
They only are preserved saltfish.
And the only saltfish them are preserved. Chris, you get that? The saltfish is it the only fish them put salt on it to preserve it? Why?
Why? Me never really go in depth in it like that. That's something to think about.
That's something to think about. Yeah. So if my wrong, I'm telling you something wrong. Because right now we have all different type of fish in general.
That's true.
You know, but the only one them still preserve.
Yeah, but them do it too. Can't pork.
Yeah, but all that as well. But the starfish, something is wrong about it. But you are back to the pot. I like how the pot well steaming. I like how the pot well steaming right now. But now I miss nothing still because I know one time I come to Portland and I get the real thing. And the coconut dumpling I go on with something else, you know. It's a must to get the coconut dumpling. You get it ready? Yes, I.
Come on,
ready. Mash up the two sides of bread. Vegetable can eat raw, you know, 50.
Yeah, we know that.
You don't need to steam it, you know. Right. So as it is now, you can't eat it, you know.
Just go in.
You can't eat it the same way. Yes, man. A vegetable, you know, can't eat this exactly how it is.
That's true.
Raw. So if you could eat, touch it, it's ready.
You bring 50 bag of go between it, I can.
So now we put the dumpling. Oh, now move?
No, man, we have some done, man.
We have to split them yourself, you can't take it away.
Yeah.
I'm Mali. I said, the pit and there, so you can't take it away.
Youth on the rise.
Youth on the rise.
You go and share it like Jesus just come.
So when they are going to cut the left part
So you must now take away place there so you can't leave it.
Unless
get the get the food and
Down to can.
So how if you leave? So you have to wait. Alright. First I'm at it nice. Alright, so you have to go wait. Okay. Yeah. No man, at 10 minutes and nothing start float. Once dumpling start float, you know say that the boat. Right, cat? Dumpling start float. Yes, sir. Youth and the rise. Lot of youth with talent and the rise. 50 can't left the boat. They say the boat. Madam boat afloat. Can't left the boat. Ship it. Ship up. Can't leave the boat.
See that look where you come and talk today. Where's the him? People are looking at your face. Put the camera in your face. Mom, brilliant dude. I remember me telling him look out for me in the future. You will be like nearly one of them blogger here, you see.
Yeah.
You see me? Because you have
Yeah. Tough man. Because I take him in front of my father and the car and I take him in, man.
Yeah, man.
Have it. You know. We call YouTube.
Huh?
We call YouTube again. What the name you call?
Human too. Subscribe to the Human
Alright, subscribe to the Human too. So here I rock him up a new name. Human too. So people wanna subscribe to the Human too.
Tune in to the Human too.
Oh.
You're YouTube.
Yeah, but they're not reach it.
All the way from St. Thomas, them banner come from no colors. All the way from St. Thomas.
Yeah, man, pick up yourself, man, bro.
See there?
What? Dumpling of fire. Do you ever see it before?
The flavor we are getting from it.
Yeah, man,
Oh,
pick
so
up
I say
everybody
it.
for the life as well.
And some of the big boys, it's pot small. Just kind of pre-cook them.
Okay, so from a bigger part now,
That's everything in
everything in one.
Yeah, June Johnson, big up yourself.
So you're a creative chef then?
Yeah.
You're not a normal chef, a creative chef. That is it. Colors in the kitchen, making it work. Very creative.
Yeah, man, dumpling mixed with it.
Yes. So let's see what
Big
I
up
want.
Lee.
And the human tube.
Where's it?
Colors. Check out the human tube. You know. Right there, colors in the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll just get that for 1 next 2 minutes down.
Right, ready.
Yeah, man, big up colors from the human tube. People, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the colors human tube.
The human tube.
Yeah, man.
Tube.
Why 1100 people upon 1,139 people.
Blessings, man, that is it. You know the thing come now. Kino life in Jamaica. Yes, sir. Take your time.
Take your time. That is it. Kino life in Jamaica.
Give me the celebrate.
Don't thief that style, yeah.
Where's the 15?
Don't thief that style.
That is it, man. You know it's there. Alright, color.
Yeah.
Create color for you.
Yeah. Tell them to don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Only watch it on YouTube.
You see? Color alone can do it. Vegetable part, all in one. Yeah.
Them say don't try this at home, but you can watch it on YouTube.
That's no man.
Wow, 1,200 people.
Banana and pumpkin in it. Pumpkin and coconut.
Yeah, man, food nice, people.
One of my school friends said, Kino, you're with colors.
Roll and press, man.
Yes, George, I'm with colors right now. I'm going to send you mine because I cannot eat none at all because I eat the saltfish, but yeah, I'm going to send you mine. So check your WhatsApp. You see me, I get that right away. And I'll save a dumpling, right? Let's see if I send you one right now.
Yeah.
Right now. Colors with style. Colors with style, boy.
Oh, D. You forgot D. We never come D.
Right there.
We can't share out nobody.
D probably just want one dumpling. She want? She coming? We just put down this girl.
People, we are here. Queen in our place now. I'm sure, man. Queen of Kenya. See her here?
Ladies first, ladies shop.
Hi, Queen. The Queen of Kenya is in the building, people.
Too much.
Look at it, man.
Only Jamaican men can cook this well.
Believe in that, man. Believe in that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So this is dumpling, cabbage, and
Callaloo. I'm pumpkin. Coasted.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.